Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Let's let the intro roll. All right. So here we are. Just want to say, here we are at my Excellent Dreams Rhinestone shop. And if you've ever been here before, you will notice something different about my shop in particular, compared to other people's shops. Let me just show you real quick what I mean. All right, let's go here. Let's see here. Let's go to Etsy. All right, just go to Etsy.com. Oh, look, I searched for rhinestone templates a lot, so a couple of rhinestone templates are here on the first page. I didn't even have to type anything in. You can see there's rhinestone templates, right? So let's just actually type in rhinestone templates. That's all we're going to type in. Let's hit enter. As you see, when it comes to rhinestone templates, we have looks like here go the alphabet right here. We got this praying mama rhinestone design here for $4.99. We got football. I guess you can customize this for $4.48 or whatever. Ooh, this right here is elaborate for $5.06. Let's click on that. Whoa. All right, hurry back now. You hear? All right, so we got this one. Does it show us how many rhinestones are in the design? No. Oh, here go the item details down here. Let's learn more about this item. Doesn't show us how many rhinestones are in the design. Let's see if it's actually on the actual image. It just says SS10. Shows the stone size. Shows everything else, but doesn't show any of the other dimensions. So I'm not quite sure. All right. Let's go back. All right, let's see here. There's an Ice Cube rhinestone template for $7.99. All right, here go one of mine, the teddy bear heart for $7.62. You get this rhinestone template here of the teddy bear heart. But let's actually observe that even more. Now let's see. Oh, you get the teddy bear heart SS10 rhinestone template, but it's also sublimation. What that means is, here on this black shirt, yes, you have just the rhinestones, as you can see here, where it's just two color rhinestones, red rhinestones and clear rhinestones, right? But here on the white shirt or on a light colored shirt, you have the option to first sublimate the shirt with the color and then layer the rhinestones on top. So you actually get this sublimation image here, which is a full color sublimation image that you can first sublimate onto a light colored shirt and then add the rhinestones on top, which adds for a little more pop. Like everyone knows, if you put red rhinestones just on this white shirt without a red underlay, that it would look kind of abstract. It would look kind of abstract on there. All right, like here again, you take this pink shirt and sublimate it with the colors and then add the rhinestones on top. Let me give another example, y'all. So here, let's see. Oh, that's kind of neat. That popped up on the first page. That's one of my rhinestone designs popping up on the first page of Etsy. See if there's any more. Here I am again on the first page. Here I am again. So once again with this one, let's click on this one. So not only do you get the rhinestone template, but you also get a sublimation design, as you can see here, where you can sublimate that color underneath the stones and then add the stones on top. Makes my rhinestone templates one. I mean, it makes it extra. You know, look at these right here from my reviews. Look how Letitia Risher did this one. How she sublimated that black and then was able to add the stones on there. She decided to sublimate the queen and then not sublimate. So you see how it looks abstract here when it's just that blue on top of that white versus how it looks full and complete over here. That's the power of the sublimation, y'all. That looks good. Nope, not today. That's another one of my templates. I love this, y'all. I love it when people go on here and actually show the work and show that the template actually works, especially when you cut it out right. Here go another one, Juneteenth. They say they had a little trouble aligning the stones into the rhinestones into the design, but what happened was when she pressed this, because it looks like she used vinyl here. So when she pressed it, she must have pressed the vinyl for the full time and temp, which means that the vinyl sort of sucked in just a little bit. But it still looks great, you know what I mean? It looks like she definitely was able to fit the stones in there perfectly, so it still came out excellent. Look at this one. Look at that, looks great how that came out. 100% pure brown sugar. That can be found on my in my Etsy shop as well. All of the ones you see here, they got off my Etsy shop. The Nope, Not Today, this Praying Mama, and the rest, other one, she got those from other people. But this drum set, that's mine. Let's keep going through, y'all. I'm loving this. I got 100% pure brown sugar. Out here being cute, like, you know what I mean? It looks like they may have sublimated. No, that doesn't look like sublimation. It looks like they may have used the vinyl all the way and put the vinyl on and put the rhinestones on top. Oh, that came out gorgeous. Look at it, how them stones sit great with that vinyl. Oh, yes. I decided on the whim to get this to make myself something to wear when I ride. I love it. Went with the pink to make it a little girly. Added the name of the group I ride with instead of the city. And I put a backing of glow in the dark around it. If it looks good, I'll definitely add more GITD to the next one. That looks good. That definitely looks good, y'all. Look at that. Another 100% pure brown sugar. Oh, catch flights, not feelings. That came out great. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Out here being cute. Look at that, the Let's Bowl. That came out great. You can find this on my Etsy shop, y'all. Look, they say love this shop and the designs. Had a question and it was answered quickly. Will definitely purchase from this shop again and again. Oh, that's my love music. Love yourself. Oh, they added that in. I like that. Know your worth and be happy. I like that. Out here being cute. Everything you can imagine is real. The file was easy. The customer service is great. And the shirt looks amazing. Like, thank you, Jane. Everybody, they love that out here being cute. The way I set it up, it can be for sublimation, for DTF even, rhinestones, vinyl. Look at that. Look at that. Let's roll. That looks good. I like how she blended those colors in right there. Cutie with a little booty. Oh, they took this item really met my expectations. I really love how my t-shirt came out. And she added some stuff to it. Like, you know what I mean? So she took my cutie with a booty here and then added her own little template to it. That's nice. I like that. The king and queen again. All right. So how do I go? see some more of my reviews. So those were excellent. All right, let's go. Let's dive back. Here we go. We got this big diamond for 512. I never made a rhinestone t-shirt before today. I downloaded this file and did not need to resize the file or be concerned about the stone size. The template printed out perfectly on my Cricut machine. My SS10 stones went into the template so easy. This design is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I would definitely be ordering again and recommending this designer to everyone. Why, thank you, Catherine. Pretty easy peasy, George and Wheezy. Let's keep going. All right. No, but what I really wanted to point out is most of my designs. Let's go back to my page real quick because we can go here. And this is not to say anything about anybody else's designs, because people are entitled to design however they design. I just want to show y'all something real quick because this is me versus everybody else. I want to show y'all what's the difference in my design. If you look at most of these designs here, they're great designs. I love the attention to detail in most of these designs here. You know what I mean? They look great. But when you buy one of my designs, what you get is extra. You get the not only the rhinestone template, but you get either the vinyl template as well as a sublimation template. You got to remember, sublimation is used with sublimation ink. These exact same designs can be used with DTF as well, as long as you size them up according to the guide that's included with each file. So as you can see, some designs that I have are just rhinestones, like this class of 2023. But when you go into it and you click into it, you actually see that it's not just rhinestones. You get the outlines, the contour cuts for vinyl, and you get sublimation, and you get DTF as well. Like, so they can be used for all three because I'm including a rhinestone template, a vinyl template, and a sublimation printout, which that sublimation printout can double as a DTF printout. So most of my designs that I designed come with um, rhinestones and vinyl, or either rhinestones, vinyl, and sublimation. And here lately, I've been doing and adding all three elements into the same design, and then you can pick and choose which one you rather use, whether you want to use, like right here. If you look at this limited edition, purple, or this shirt right here, this light colored shirt can be sublimated. So you can sublimate the black part and then cut out vinyl for the purple part and then layer your stones on top or inside. Just like with this shirt, the red shirt, you can layer down your black sublimation and get that part as your base or your foundation. And then you can cut out your blue, cut out your yellow, and cut out your dark blue and create this style right here using sublimation and vinyl. Or you can print out this blue, yellow, blue part in DTF, layer the DTF on top of the sublimation, and then add the rhinestones on top as well. Go with three mediums instead of just one. That way you can create three color shirts like this, and it doesn't matter if the shirt is a black shirt, because then you'll be able to DTF print this or cut it out in vinyl and then just layer the rhinestones where they go. So I try to make it easy for y'all to create awesome one-of-a-kind shirts. They may look complicated, but they're not. You know what I mean? They each come with their one. They each come with a guide that lets you know what size to create the image, what size to print out the sublimation, what size to cut out the rhinestone template. And you'll be able to make shirts like these so easily. There's a link down below, like right here. This one right here. This one right here is so easy. Because you will print out the cream dollar bill, y'all. All you would do is print that out on a sublimation printer, and then you will cut out the rhinestone part. You will print the sublimation, you will press the sublimation image into the shirt, and then layer on the rhinestone part, and you're done. Easy peasy. All right. So come check out my store, my Rhinestone shop right now. Right now I have a 50% off sale. I believe I'm running it all month until October 1st. Go in there. I got over 200 and what 247 rhinestone designs. Over 244 rhinestone designs. Because I also sell Hotfix rhinestones. Also sell Hotfix rhinestones in bulk. You can get 250 gross for only $95 for the I have light cyan and black diamond right now. And I also have a 250 gross of clear rhinestones for only $75. Tap in, tap in. What else I want to say? I don't know what else I want to say. So, and I'm at, oh yeah, right now, look, check me out. I'm a star seller right now, y'all. Been a star seller for the past few months, which means I got awesome, great customer service. I try to answer most questions within 12 hours. Uh, I might be asleep. You might be on the other side of the world, might be in a different time zone, but I'm here to help. If you ever purchase one of my rhinestone templates and you have any problems or any issues with the rhinestone template, just jump in my inbox and I'll definitely help you all the way 100% until you can create that shirt. And I'm out.